So here we are at InfoCon 2023 at the booth SDVoE, hosting our presentation, Wyrestorm products with SDVoE in it. So here we are going to show you some units that we rebrand or redesign rather. Since we already had the 600s and that part was really great. It had all the SDVoE features that brings that chip. However, it has some downsides in sense of it didn't have a PoE, so you had to use the external power supply, and that brought a lot of heat as well within the unit. So we had to cool it. We had to design the box differently so that it can cool enough. But now with the new chipset, we redesigned the whole unit. And with the new chipset, the new features are much better in sense of PoE is now available. So the box will be able to be powered as with the PoE Plus. And what that means is that it consumes much less power. And that also means that it doesn't heat so much. So we are able now to scale it down. The box is not so big as it was before, and this is really cool. But the best part about this new chipset is that it allows us to do the transmitting and receiving the signal at the same time. So now we are offering in this box the possibility of the transceiver. So it can operate as a TRX, as a RX, or TX. You can specify how you want this box to act. So it's a one SKU and three different operating possibilities. We keep all the good features as well, like zero latency gen log, fast switch mode for fast switching, options. USB is there, so now you can connect up to 3 USB peripherals and connect the host to receive that USB data. Additionally, video wall processing is still there, so 8x8 video wall and the multi-view as well. So with the multi-view, you can do up to 9 screens at the same time, showing at the 16 windows at the same time, showing the customizable layout. That means that you can totally customize the layout. You can define where is your window, well, are they overlapping. It's like you can do whatever you like. Balanced audio input output is there, and additional 1 GB auxiliary AV connector is LAN connector is available. Now this is the transceiver. We also have a dedicated transmitter, and additional to this is that we are bringing the Dante port to it. So you will be able to get the Dante audio, 2-channel Dante audio from the dedicated Dante port. Also, there is a loop out for HDMI, so you can get the local screen there and have your local source looping out. Now, these SKUs for 600s are controlled with our Network HD CTL Pro controller. Now, this controller is unique because you can configure your endpoints in no time. So once you connect all your encoders and decoders, you hook up this controller to the network, the same network, and you open the browser and type the IP address of the controller, and you will see the 7-step wizard, which will give you the option to configure your system in no time. Basically, you just follow that 7-step wizard, where you will need to define the IP address of the unit, give them a name, create your video walls, multi-view layouts, all that fancy stuff you can do with 600 series with SDVoE. And once you're done, you click the finish button and you're done. Your system is configured. And now you can do, immediately you can do switching, you can show the sources on the displays in no time. So this, we even got an award for this controller, and you should definitely check it out. So it comes with a dual power option, so it can be powered with a PoE or a 12-volt power supply. It has 2 ports, LAN ports. And why we did that is because most probably in your installations, you will have to separate your control network from your AV network. So that if you want to control our system with third-party control units, that control power can be isolated totally. We support all different security protocols, Telnet, Telnet over TLS, SSH, so the secure connection is there. And its API document or API commands are really simple, really good organized, so you should definitely check that out. And then at the end, we also have a backup, so redundancy is there, so you can install 2 of these controllers, and if one fails for some reason, the other one will take over the whole system, so there is no downtime. So thank you for watching, and I'm really looking forward for more additional features that we are going to bring to the SDVoE platform, and definitely go to Wyrestorm.com website to check out for more information. Thank you.